You haven't used the word bounce before, so.
Bump, bounce,
Okay.
just a quickie.
Okay.
Port forward, neutral. Now remember, you're looking at the bow of the boat, and we do not want you to focus. You want big picture.
Yeah.
Look at the stern of the boat.
Okay.
Okay, bounce port forward. Okay, look at this anchor over here. We're okay, but you need to be aware of it.
Okay.
Port forward. Good. Starboard, reverse. And this is called bending around the corner. Neutral. Again, we're watching that anchor behind us.
We're clear of that.
Okay, both forward. Neutral. So we're pretty far away from that anchor behind us. So now I will do starboard reverse.
Starboard reverse.
I'll get these down in a hurry.
Leave it in reverse for a minute.
We're just swinging around, right?
Correct, that's all we're doing. Neutral. Port only forward. And starboard forward. And we're going to go straight. Our rudders are still straight. Okay, neutral. Port forward. Leave it in forward. Leave the port in forward. Both forward.
What's that in the water right there?
Trash.
Are you sure?
Okay, yep. Starboard neutral.
Oh, I'm neutral and bold.
Okay, starboard reverse. Okay, so we have to be aware of this guy right here.
Yep.
So we're doing good. It's your first time. We're doing great.
Nice job, honey.
Thank you.
Okay, you took it out of gear. Leave it in reverse.
I was in reverse.
Okay, neutral.
Okay.
Both forward.
Steve, don't do uh-oh.
Okay, starboard neutral. Port forward.
It's not. We're not doing anything.
Okay, starboard reverse. Starboard reverse.
I am.
Okay, good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. Okay, let me turn off the camera and see what's going on.